How has been your experience with distributors and what needs to be done?
The distributors must acknowledge self-publishers because they also put in efforts to bring out the best. They also have a good this editorial team. They give the best. They have a good paper quality. They try to bring out the best in print. It's a printing for their publishing books, and means it may be at the initial point the publisher may not have a lot many titles, but the distributor must recognize that these publishers can work hard and must support them, the self-publishers, so that they can be motivated to bring more talents to the fore.
How do you think that with so many shopping malls coming in, they can promote the books?
Yeah, say, shopping malls, those which have bookstores, or so some promotions can be done in their atrium, so that it means a recognition, means due to a large crowd there, so some means books can be what was seen there, encounter, means it could be it could be a fine way of displaying your books and distributing the books, and encouraging these people who ever come to the malls for other purchases can also go through these talents of the books and can buy them.
There are many number of titles, likewise there are many type of readers. So what do you suggest for the matching up both of them?
As the percentage of readership has come down, though we see a lot of readers buying from established stores or bookstores, means fiction, also literature and other books. But what is important is promotion of these books also. Secondly, there are other applications or gadgets which have come, which help the readers to store a lot of books, like e-books gadgets that can also be developed alongside. And there could be competitions also held for the talents, so that there is a better involvement of the readers, or you can generate the readership for the to publish book, to buy books, and to visit the stores.
How one can publicize his book without spending a lot?
Publicity does have a good cost to come with, but there could be more publicity. There could be social networking or viral marketing can be done. Besides, there could be it is a cooperative, it's a publicity of the books. Like you can have some group of writers coming up and get the books published, so that their titles or their books can be publicized at a time, so that the cost comes down a lot, and it could be covered up in the royalties or in the percentages where the distributors can get.
Can you tell us about your favorite writer or favorite book?
See, my first favorite writer who changed me from science to art was Thomas Hardy. Now he is actually I've mentioned in my first book about his novel that that my novel is based on his book also, not entirely based, but shaped out of his book and other books also. He talks about the destiny which rules us, the destiny which rules everyone, and the concept of my novel, the first novel, is based somewhat on that the destiny rules. It means it either harms a person, destroys a person, or recreates a person into some other life.